Entire country is in outrage because of this dastardly terrorist act which has happened in Pahalgam. And Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has expressed his firm resolve that he will ensure the justice to the people and punishment to the perpetrator of terrors and their backers to the end of the earth. But unfortunately and painfully, I would like to say that some of the Congress party leaders are echoing the same words which the Pakistani ministers are saying. Senior Congress leader and Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has said that war should not be an option. This is the same in verbatim, same word which the Defense Minister, Foreign Minister and Home Minister of Pakistan is saying. Why this is similarity between what Congress leader is saying and what Pakistanis are saying, and suddenly Siddaramaiah and these Congress leaders have become darling of the Pakistani media and they are getting praised by the experts sitting in Pakistani media channels. This shows that whatever they were saying just a couple of days back, that they are with government on this issue, their mask has been totally out of their face. Now their real face is in front of the people. That in less than a week, they have shown their true colors. And more painful and dastardly statement is that one of the minister of Karnataka is saying that this may not be possible, that the terrorists have first asked about religion and then they would have killed. I think there cannot be ugly statement to the pain of the suffering families. And I would like to ask to Congress party, you are the same party whose senior most leader Rahul Gandhi's statement has been used by Pakistan against the dossier of India, in the dossier against India to United Nations, and now suddenly your leaders have become darling of the Pakistani media. Why it is so? Now today the need of the hour is to take Pakistan to the task, and diplomatically under the able leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, we have dexterously isolated and put Pakistan on the target in the international arena. And whatever next target will be, Mr. Siddaramaiah, you should be rest assured that what option will be there, leave it to the Honorable Prime Minister and the Cabinet Committee on Securities and our three forces chief. Don't try to become the security expert. So that will be our target. But I think these people, the type of praise which we are trying to get in Pakistani media and establishment, as if they are trying to aim for a Nishan-e-Pakistan, which is the highest civilian award. So there is a distinct difference between our policy, the policy of the BJP-led NDA government under the leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, that is Nishana-e-Pakistan. Take Pakistan on the target. And their desire or will seems to be Nishan-e-Pakistan, get praise that is the highest civilian praise from Pakistan.